Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change an image to a PDF. So let's get started. As you guys can see, I have this image on my desktop right here that I want to use as the image to change to a PDF. So what I'm going to want to do is take this image right here and go to this Adobe website that's JPEG to PDF converter, whatever other image you have. You can drag in any kind of image into this little box right here and it'll work perfectly. So all I'm going to do is drag this to the side and drag my document into this little area. You can also click on it to open it up and select. So it'll take a few minutes and then it'll be loaded. And as you guys can see, it's converting right here. So we have the image that I wanted to upload. My PDF is ready. All I have to hit is download. And since this is Adobe, it's a safe website. And then you just drag your thing to wherever you want. And as you guys can see, if I open this up, we have our PDF document saved. So our image is now a PDF. If you guys like this video, then please leave a like. And if you really loved it, then make sure to subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.